Intense 5 turn up this week. Check this. Imagine, it passed us as rainy weather, then it developed into a Category 5 hurricane and slammed into Florida and Georgia. Strongest storm in history to hit that panhandle. Wow. Whew.
Dalton Harris made it past the 6th chair round and into the judge's house.
Blows away.
A melody I start but can't complete.
Tomorrow we'll find out if he made it to the lives. Oh, by the way, that link that's been going around to vote for him has nothing to do with his position on X Factor.
Cardi B at the American Music Awards. Her outfit was one that only Cardi could wear and get away with.
I said I like it. Still on the AMAs, Drake walked away with 0 awards and Taylor Swift just kept winning. Thank goodness Kanye wasn't there.
Say,
why?
What up is so excitement? And finally holding the spot this week. Speaking of Kanye, so he's supposed to meet with Trump, and because of his support of the president, B&J, aka the Carters, have supposedly said they want nothing to do with him. That relationship has been a rocky one, but it looks as if it's over for good now. I don't know. But that's it for the Intense 5 this week. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook at TVJ Intense.